In this video, I'm revealing 4 powerful indicators that pro traders use to spot reversals, predict breakouts, and avoid costly trades. No lagging lines, no guesswork, just clear, sharp signals you can actually use. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with strategies that could be worth thousands of dollars. First up, open any chart on TradingView. Head over to Indicators and type in percent trend change. Using John A's ultimate smoother filter, this tool adds a new level of precision to detecting trend shifts, giving you the ability to spot reversals and ride momentum with confidence. What makes it stand out is how it shows percentage changes in real time. You can literally watch the strength and durability of a trend unfold before your eyes. It maps out every move, showing exactly how far price has shifted from the entry point, letting you gauge trend health without second guessing. I'll also show you how to put this to work in live markets so you can profit consistently. The beauty of this indicator lies in its simplicity. It marks entries with up and down triangles, clearly pointing out where the trend begins. Each triangle is labeled with the entry price, so you can easily track your position. Percentage change labels appear at regular intervals, updating you on how much the price has moved. It's not just the numbers, it's a clear picture of direction and momentum. Positive changes in an uptrend are green, negative moves in a downtrend are red. And the occasional bounce is orange. On top of that, adaptive channel bands shift dynamically, showing trend strength and potential reversal areas. Here's a strategy with this tool that's proven effective. I'm looking at Solana on the 1-hour chart with default settings. For a long trade, first, the indicator must mark a shift from bearish to bullish. But here's the catch. Don't jump in right away. That's where most traders go wrong. Instead, wait for the second condition, which is price moving in the direction of the new signal. The percentage change of the first interval must fall between 5% and 10%. That's the sweet spot showing real buyer activity with room for the trend to grow. If the conditions line up, enter long. Place your stop at the bottom of the channel and target at least 1.5 times your risk. For shorts, just flip the rules. And one important thing, only take the first interval. Don't re-enter on later intervals, even if they show 5 to 10%. Wait for a full reset. If this tool already caught your attention, smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Now let's check out the second indicator you need in 2025 and beyond. High volume points by Big Beluga. Once you add it, you'll notice something unique. Large, adjustable circles marking pivot highs and lows. These aren't random. They highlight areas of exponentially high trading volume. The bigger the circle, the stronger the market activity at that level. Each one even displays the exact volume, so you know exactly where heavy players are active. But this isn't just about circles. As price moves, the tool draws horizontal support and resistance lines from those high volume pivots. These levels become critical zones where price often bounces or breaks through. The standout feature is how it handles liquidity grabs. When price crosses a high volume level and scoops liquidity, the line changes to dashed format. That's a clear sign institutional players may have stepped in, giving you an edge in spotting likely reversals or continuations. Not every volume spike matters though. This indicator lets you filter out the noise with a customizable threshold from 0 to 6, so you only see the most impactful liquidity zones. Here's a solid strategy. When price approaches a high volume buy point, wait for it to pull back and retest that level. If you see a bullish candlestick confirmation, like a hammer or engulfer candle, take the long. The logic is simple. The level attracted buyers before, and if it holds, they're stepping back in. Place your stop just below the zone and target the next high volume pivot above. It's straightforward but highly effective. Our third indicator can actually forecast reversals with impressive accuracy. Meet the trend reversal probability indicator by Algo Alpha. Think of it as a probability gauge that doesn't guess, it calculates. At its core is a custom oscillator blending short and long-term moving averages of midpoint price. Imagine it like a fitness tracker for the market, measuring its pulse, stamina, and when it's likely to hit exhaustion. Instead of raw numbers, it transforms data into a visual gauge, similar to RSI, showing both trend strength and possible turning points. One of its strongest features is how it tracks the typical lifespan of trends, then plots expiration zones using statistical bands. Red and green bars rise higher as the trend ages, with intensity signaling the likelihood of a reversal. Deep red bars often suggest a bullish bounce, while bright green indicates a downturn could be coming. It's like a progress bar. The closer it gets to run on red, the more likely a U-turn. Here's my go-to strategy with it. Add the indicator with default settings. For a long trade, 3 conditions must be met. First, the reversal probability must exceed 90%. Second, price needs to sit between the gray and green zones. Third, the probability of price reaching the red zone must be above 60%. Once all 3 align, enter long. Put your stop loss below the green zone and target the red zone above. For shorts, just mirror the process. Follow these steps carefully and you'll see why it works so consistently. Finally, let's talk about the 4th indicator, Reversal Rehearsal version 1. This professional grade tool is designed to detect areas where momentum is building for potential reversals. It uses RSI ranges to highlight overextended conditions, like spotting when the market is overheated or oversold. That means you're always aware of when a shift in direction is most likely. What makes this one stand out is its combination of RSI thresholds with candlestick patterns. Think engulfing candles, hammers, tweezers, and piercing patterns. These give you extra confirmation. You can even fine-tune how strong these signals need to be so your chart stays clean and focused only on what matters most. Another powerful feature is its integration of fair value gaps. These gaps highlight the price insufficiencies that markets often revisit before continuing. By combining gaps with candlestick confirmations, this indicator becomes a flexible tool for both longs and shorts. Plus, it works especially well on lower time frames, like 1 to 15-minute charts, making it favorite among scalpers and day traders. It continuously scans conditions and pings you with alerts when prime setups appear, even in fast markets. It can also run backtests to see how well the strategy performs historically, giving you more confidence. Overall, this is an excellent indicator to put in your toolbox. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments.